Hey, I can't get the plane to start. Is there any chance you could help me out here?
Yeah, let's go take a look at it. What made me choose this school over other schools is this was the best aviation school in Kansas that I found.
Yeah, I know. I can't get the oil pressure isn't coming up, and it looks like the battery's running low.
They're not just preparing us for like a degree, here's your paper. This is a very hands-on orientated program. Yeah, so let's go check, see if there's any leaks in the hoses or anything.
Alrighty.
Most of the aviation maintenance classes are actually focused on actual experiences, what actually happens in the real world. And they do their best to try and break it down from like a real world perspective.
You know why these are great? Because they always spin the same direction.
Everyone is super helpful. Like all the professors are really knowledgeable, and even the upperclassmen actually help with like lowerclassmen stuff. It has opened so many doors in this industry. They have connections to get like part-time jobs or internships in actual companies, but also they had a job within a year in this industry, and not just as pilots, but like people who can work on drones, on airplanes, on helicopters, and bigger things. What got me into aviation maintenance is I love working on aircraft. I've really just kind of scratched the surface on what I can do and where I can go with it, and it's just fun. I just love being here.
Runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.